Let your paintbrush become the key to unlock the world in your head. Welcome to Painting Everything. Last year, Kleiner Hai created an incredible Learn Squared course all about planning a world through sketches. Now he's back to share the secrets of his painting techniques. Kleiner doesn't just want to show you his world, he wants you to fully understand it through his imagery. He'll break down his workflow for creating over a dozen paintings at a time, from the largest scale scenes to the most fleeting moments, so you can capture the feel of being inside this new environment more than you ever could with a single piece of concept art. The course is broken up into 4 major sections, each encompassing a different genre of painting you'll create: specialized locations, small-scale environments, character-focused scenes, and finally, landscapes. Along the way, you'll learn to use brushes effectively, create striking moods through lighting and color, build in details through photo bashing, and draw the eye through strong composition. Plus, if you've taken Sketching Everything, Kleiner shows specific workflows for using that course's sketches, environment plans, character sheets, and more when building out your paintings, saving time in every stage of the process. With these techniques, there's no limit to what you can create. Sign up today and begin your journey at learnsquared.com.